Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problem that you have on Twitter. To know how to fix or solve any errors that you have on Twitter app, you should just go to settings. Here in this page we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will enter to the window of Twitter. When you'll find this list of app and for, we click on for stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. After that we click clear cache. You can go to Play Store. You will search about this window of update. If you will find it in this blue sign, then you can update your app of Twitter. So please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe. See you next time in another